Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we have the July Boxycharm. This is the base box. I do get the premium as well, which I will do a separate unboxing for, but I decided I would go ahead and do this. I've been liking to do this kind of as a try-on style for whatever makeup we receive in here to kind of test it out. I do have a link for it down below if you guys want to sign up, but I'm sure most of you are already familiar with Boxycharm, and I did decide not to look up any sneak peeks this month. I was doing some sneak peek videos, but I feel like whenever I do that, I get a little bit disappointed in my box. So I feel like this time I'm gonna wait, and I kind of wanted to see just randomly what I was gonna get without knowing anything. And I actually did peek in here, and I'm really pleased with it, I have to say. So maybe try, if you have been upset with your boxes, maybe don't look at the sneak peeks, because I know there's just like so many different variations out there, and you'll be like, well, like all these people are getting this and I'm only getting this, and then you just get disappointed and it kind of feels negative. So yeah, just I thought I would throw that out there. And also I wanted to mention, if you guys caught my vlog yesterday, this is the shirt I was looking for at Target that they didn't have it in stores, but I ended up ordering it online and it came today, and I love it. It is a tie-dye Def Leopard tee, and I've been wanting a Def Leopard top for a while, and I found this one, which was perfect because I love tie-dye. And this one fits really nice, I have to say, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to check it out. It's a little bit of a thinner material, but I kind of like that for summer, so hopefully it will hold up well, like through washing and stuff, but I'm really impressed. I also ordered a really cute Beatles one that has a little yellow submarine on it, which I should be getting soon. But yeah, I just had to update you guys. This is the shirt I was talking about because I never ended up showing you in yesterday's video. Anyways, let's get into this unboxing. This is the card. It says sunshine on it, and I have variation number 3. I always get asked that, and I don't know how much mine weighs because this one was sent to me, and there was a little mix up with my box. It was sent somewhere in New Hampshire, I guess, and so they had to send me out a separate one. So that's why I don't have the shipping info. I'm so sorry. Usually I do try to include that, but I definitely will for my premium. Alright, so let's get into this. The first item we have here, this is from the brand 111 Skin. I feel like I keep getting this brand in different boxes. I feel like I've gotten it in Boxycharm quite frequently and a couple times in Ipsy, but it's actually a very expensive brand. I still haven't really tried a whole lot though from it. This is their Pollution Defense Booster. So let's see, it says that it's actually developed by a plastic surgeon. This is their wide tube formula that has a unique fusion of actives which help to alleviate visible signs of aging and damage, which it sounds promising. I think I need to just like try this stuff out. I don't know. Sometimes I'm weary about trying new brands that I haven't really heard of, but this sounds like it would be really good. So you guys all have to let me know if you have tried the 111 Skin brand, if you notice a difference in your skin at all with it, but this looks pretty nice, the Pollution Booster. This one retails for $135. Like, oh, okay, wow. Like, I don't know. I don't think I could ever spend that much on a serum like this, but this better be performing some miracles, let me tell you. Okay, so the next thing that we got, this is such a good box. We got the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I'm so excited for this because I've always wanted to try this. I've always heard great things about this brow pencil from Hourglass. I just never ended up purchasing it because it is a little bit pricey. I do usually use Benefit, the Gimme Brow. This looks really good. So they actually did send me the shade Ash, which, is this gonna work for me? Hopefully it's not too gray. It looks kind of dark. Let's see. Oh, I think we can make that one work. I do have more ashy roots, as you guys could see, so I think that will work. It did look a little bit dark at first. This one retails for $28, and it says it's designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes from microblade-worthy effects without the blade. It has a 1.4mm tip to get complete control for naturally defined brows. I am beyond excited about this product. Then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this as well. This is something I've been really curious about. I've been wanting to buy it, but I just couldn't bite the bullet on it. But you guys know my love for Sol de Janeiro. They now have shampoo and conditioner, so Boxycharm sent over little travel sizes. They're not like teeny tiny, but I feel like this is a decent size. I understand they probably couldn't obviously send the full size. That would be crazy. These little ones retail for, I think, $24. Is that right? Maybe for both. I'll have to double check on that, but let me tell you, I have been dying to try this. I've come so close to buying the full sizes on Sephora, but I just didn't know if it would work well for my hair or what. But I love their Brazilian Boom Boom scent, which this totally smells like it. I can smell it from the bottle. It smells so good. These are 3 fluid ounces, so yeah, it is a really decent size. I should be able to get quite a few uses out of this and tell if it's something I'm gonna love and maybe repurchase. So I'm pretty excited that we were able to try both the shampoo and conditioner, because I'm sure if they did the full size, they would only be able to fit in one or the other. Let me just look those up on Sephora right now. I do believe they sell that size. Okay, so yeah, the little minis are $12 a piece, so $24 for both. Okay, next up we got a palette. This is from Ace Beauty, and I totally forgot. I should have done my eyes before I did this, but I don't know why I was thinking this is an eyeshadow palette, but it's actually like a little contouring palette, and this is the Bronzed in Paradise palette, which looks like this. So this is the shades we get in here. It comes with 4 different tones, so it should fit most skin tones. There should be one for everyone. Now, I usually don't like use these whole palettes. I feel like I could definitely use these first 2 and maybe even this one when I self-tan. So I should get some good use out of it. I'll go ahead and insert some swatches here. Oh, these are nice. They feel really creamy and soft. This one's actually very much red toned, but I'm happy with how this feels. This retails for $30. It says they can be layered on liquid cream or other powder complexion products as well. So that is pretty cool from Ace Beauty, and the packaging is really beautiful as well. It kind of reminds me of fall. These almost look like little leaves, but it is like a floral design. It's just like Thanksgiving colors. And then we got a liquid lip. This is from Ola Neon, which I'm not familiar with. It says Velvet Liquid Lipstick, matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing in the shade The Easy Sell. This retails for $17. This is the packaging on that. Super fun. I don't think I have much like that. It's kind of like a red, but also like a pink. It's like a mixture. It's really nice. I'm excited to try that formula, so I will be trying that today. So that's everything in my base Boxycharm. Super happy with everything. I feel like I'm going to use everything. This is definitely a really good box this month. So you guys will have to let me know. I know I get my boxes a little bit early. What you guys get, come back later and let me know, because I'm always curious since they do have so many different variations. I know usually the influencers get the same box. So I'll have to watch some other videos too and see if anyone's put them up. But anyways, let me go ahead. I'm gonna go put some eyeshadow on actually, because I definitely forgot to do that. And then we'll try out the product. Okay, so I just did my eyes using the Shake Your Pom Poms Too Faced palette and then Tarte Surfer Curl mascara. So let's go ahead and try out this brow pencil here. I'm very excited. This one from Hourglass. So I'm just going to kind of outline a bit. It seems like this is going on a little bit dark, so I'm going to be careful not to press too hard on that. But yeah, it's definitely giving a nice shape, super easy to use. I love stuff with a fine tip like this. So then I just kind of fill in the front. You can kind of go over again with the spoolie to blend it out. I just feel like that gives it a little bit more of a natural look to it, but yeah, I'm really happy with that. I do think the color's good, just a slightly bit dark, but I think that this was really easy to use. It wasn't too creamy, it wasn't too hard, like I didn't have to push too hard. So I could definitely see the hype with this brow pencil. I am going to run this little pencil underneath just to kind of highlight that area and carve them out a bit more. This is the roller from Benefit Eye Bright pencil. So I just kind of go right along the bottom portion, and that just really cleans up that area. And then I will blend that out with my finger. Okay, so let's test out this bronzer here from Ace Beauty. I'm just going to use this brush. I actually got this in an Ipsy. It's from Firma, and it kind of gives a nice sculpted look. It's a little bit smaller, so I can not go as crazy with the bronzer. So I'm thinking what shade is gonna look best. I kind of want to mix these two here and see what we get. And we'll just apply this right to the cheekbones. Goes on a little bit light, but I can definitely probably go into that deeper shade if I want to get a bit more color. I really like the color of that. I think that looks really good. I am going to take this bigger brush here, and I usually use this for doing like my neck. So I do like to kind of bronze down in this area. I am going to apply this liquid lipstick next, which is from the Ola Neon. I don't wear super dark colors like this. It actually looks a lot more bright as I'm looking in the camera now. But I do think it is pretty still, like a pretty color, and I think it goes okay with this eye look. Formula wise, it does feel really nice. I can feel it drying down. It dries down pretty quickly. So I think this one's definitely going to be a super long wearing one because I can feel it being a bit on the dry side. So I just need to finish up my makeup a little bit more. I'm actually doing like an Instagram video at the same time as this. So I'm going to do that. If you're curious about anything else I have on, that'll be on my Instagram. I don't know if it'll be up this week or maybe next week since I already did a video, but stay tuned for that. But I will get into the outro here in a second. Alright, so I added everything else and the makeup is done. I have to say, again, I'm just really impressed with this box. I feel like everything performed really well too. I really don't have any disappointments. We'll see if I end up using that 111 Skin product. Such an odd name. You guys had to let me know again if you guys do like that brand, what you think of it. It's just that price tag is insane. I'm super excited to see what's going to be in the premium box. Yeah, I don't think mine has shipped yet, so that'll be up a bit later. But that's going to be it for today's unboxing video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.